These discussions have to be done before the marriage. Baad mein complain, sisters do that sometimes, and they think we don't know. Ye bas jawab dega to I'm going to usko sotti marungi with this jawab. Nahi. What is the ruling of living with in-laws who mistreat you and lack empathy towards you while your husband is out of the home most of the time and you demand a separate home, but he's not willing to provide a separate home? It is a right of a woman to seek separate dwellings from the family of her husband. It is a right, because when you marry a woman, she has a right to shelter, clothing and food. She is not obligated to live with your mother or your father. All right? If he cannot afford it, then this is what a woman asks before the marriage. Where are you going to put me? Yeah, I'm going to marry you, and it doesn't matter, I just need to get married. So she marries you, and you didn't even ask where I'm going to stay. So he takes you to his father and mother's house. Yeah, aapka kamra hai. This is your bathroom, and my mother and father are in the house, and you share the kitchen, and we're going to share the duty. She said, and then she's all right for about 6 months, and she says, I don't want this anymore. That was your mistake, sister. You should have asked the right questions. You can't now just wake up one morning and say, I want my own house. Because maybe he can't afford it. Ye jo baatein hain, negotiating the aqdun nikah, isliye kehte hain aqd. It is a contract of marriage. Ye jo marriage contract hai. For this reason, to be honest with you, many of the mashayikh and the salaf, they never used to perform the aqdun nikah in the masjid. The masjid is not the place for aqdun nikah, because here you could be doing business dealings. Ye mujhe ye dega, he's going to have to provide, he's going to have to give me this, he's going to have to give me that, we're going to negotiate the haqq mahr. Right? So all of these things are negotiated, and the masjid is not munasib that you do this in the masjid. We don't say it's haram, of course, but we say it is better that these things are not done in the masjid. However, the point is that the guardian of the sister, the walid of the sister, or whoever he is, the wali, that the sister must be clear, mujhe kya chahiye from this marriage, what do I want? Of course you want a husband who prays, fasts, he's Salafi, he's a person of sunnah and hadith and so on, but he has to provide for me. Acha, aapke, where do you live? I live with my mother and father. Acha, bhai, ban, yeah, I've got 6 brothers, 3 of them are married and they have children. How many bedrooms in the house? 3. Kitne bhai? 4 bhai. Behna? 4. Married, not married. Grandchildren? 6. 3 bedrooms. And I have to live there? मैं कहाँ रहूँगी? वो जगह बनाएंगे. These discussions have to be done before the marriage. Baad mein complain, sisters do that sometimes, and they think we don't know. Ye bas jawab dega to I'm going to usko sotti marungi with this jawab. Nahi. Sister, these questions are before the marriage.